working with a card kit from Prima Marketing, and it's made by, the designer is Christine Adolph, and it's a foil card kit. And I thought, this would be a really fun way to get started in card making, or if you want to travel and take a craft with you. It comes with all of the pieces already cut, the foils in here, the cards, the envelopes, some little glitter gems, and so you have the colored backgrounds that coordinate with the kit. Some are patterned, some are plain. And then you have the card piece itself. Okay, and there's a bunch of those in there. And then it comes with this pack of foiled images. Here we go, that have adhesive on them, and then you use those with the foil pieces, and you rub and burnish them down, and then you'll have a foil sentiment, and then here's the rest of the cards and the envelope. So I thought this would be a fun project to do, and then all we need to take with us is our best glue ever and probably a pair of scissors to cut out our foil piece. Alright, so I have prepared my elements here, and what I'm going to do is I have my card base, I have the background color, and what I did here is I cut it down 1/4 inch smaller just so there'd be a little white border around the edge. And then I'm going to use this large flower with this smaller flower, either on top or tucked behind. I'm not sure which, but that's the composition. And then this little bud is going to tuck right in there. And then we're going to add this foiled piece right up here towards the corner. And so I'm going to do that first and then put my pieces on. So let's move everything out of the way. Alright, and so we're just going to prepare this. So what we do here is we're going to peel this off of the backing and decide where we want to put this. And I love that you can see it, see through, tell where it's going to go. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. I don't know, it might be a little crooked, but that's going to work for me. And then we just rub and make sure that this stays down. The nice thing about these is that the yellow kind of changes a little bit of color when it is adhered to the surface, so that's nice. And then here I'm just going to peel back and make sure we're all stuck down, which we are, and I can remove that. Now this piece here is sticky. I don't want to touch it with my fingers, but I do want to put my rose gold foil over the top. And now we're just going to rub this down. Alright, so there is our foil embellishment. Now, if you have any areas that didn't stick, you can definitely take this foil and put it on there again. Now, as a little trick, if you don't have, if this is a nice clean transfer here, you can see what this looks like here with the color showing through. You could actually cut this off and use this to transfer down if you had some other adhesive to stick it to. And since Scraperfect stays tacky, you could probably use that to transfer this image down. So I'm just going to set that off to the side. And now I'm going to decide where my floral pieces go on here. Yeah, I think something just like this. I'm okay with this touching into the foiled area. So I think that's what I'm going to do. All right, so just using my glue, I'm going to place these pieces on here. And there we have it.